Live. We should be live. All right. Let me share some links real quick. To the Twitters. I like your new art, Archaea. It looks really cool. Really good looking avatar. Like. So Vigistella is done with their Wave 4.
Yep.
Yanflight tweeted it out today. And it says, we hope you found a few plugins you'd like to use for your games in this wave. And they're going to be taking a 2-week break to get some time off and rest up over this this holiday season to get ready for that. And then after that, they're coming back for Wave 5, baby. Wave 5. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay. Deedly. All right, let's go to the Discord. Copy this link. We gotta put it in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? We gotta put it in that official. We gotta make it a fish.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're not getting enough. We're not getting enough to keep our stream.
Oh no.
Oh no, Spectrum is like, no. Today you may not stream. You may not stream today. Always a blessing when we can stream. Always a blessing when we are able to. It's a privileged thing when you can stream. $2 super chat from Vino. He goes, how is it 2 p.m. already? Anyway, hello everyone. How's it going, Vino? Thank you so much for popping in and saying for that super chat. We're going to hit the record button right here. I'm going to also hit the all chats to turn it off and the good old fashioned turn it back on again. That's how you fix things nowadays. You turn it off and you turn it back on.
Yep.
Hopefully we have a good stream. Hopefully Spectrum lets us upload properly. We'd really appreciate that. We do have to call them today for other things. Oh, well, yeah.
Busy. Always busy.
Yeah. Let's see who's in the chat here. We got Skepsis D. What's up, Skepsis? Live game dev hype. We got our friend from Korea. Did you know Nobi has a RPG zombie game? Did you know? What's up, Assumed Identity? How are you doing?
No, I didn't know that.
Majora Wolf 29. What's up, Nat? I see notification. I click. It lags after a couple seconds. I'm sorry about that. I don't know why. It's just probably Spectrum. Poga Latte, what's up? How you doing, Ambrose? I see you there. Cool. What do my notifications say? Oh yeah, it's dropping frames. I don't know why. Let me click on this little thing over here.
Yeah, we're having internet problems.
That's stupid. It's stupid. Why? Okay, sending. It seems to be sending. I'm taking a look at that. Seems to be good. We're going to keep going, though. Bear through it. You know, do what we can. We'll see what happens. Today, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to ask any questions you have about RPG Maker. While I'm waiting for questions to come in and stuff to solve, I'm going to work on my project. I'm going to be working on Drift Clicker RPG and RPG Maker MZ. And I'm going to be... I put a few plugins in yesterday. I updated my plugin list, got them up to date, brought in a couple new ones from Vigistella, and today we're going to take a look at, I haven't looked at it yet, besides just the video, but it is a crafting one, item crafting system. So, you know, I haven't even really looked at it all as far as using it. So I'm going to take a look at the item crafting system. Adds an item crafting scene to the game. Cool. General no tags. These no tags are used to mark the item as a craftable item or as items that can only be crafted through a custom crafting list. So crafting ingredients So I guess you put this on the finished product, and you can specify what this product needs. How's it going, Kiera? So let's copy paste this. Used for item, weapon, armor, note tags. Turns this item, weapon, armor into a craftable item by using the listed ingredients to craft with. If the category name variant is used, it will draw from all items, weapons, and armors that have matching category X note tag data. Cool. So you don't have to. So they're cross category, I suppose. We're gonna learn it as we use it. Examples: crafting ingredients. Item 5, one of those. Item 6, one of those, and this much gold. Can I just put the name? Item name, blah. I like that. It would probably have to be verbatim, so it's more likely to be an error, but it'll help me when I'm looking at the database later on. So I'm going to use item name, weapon name, armor name, etc., stuff like that. Excuse me. And I don't know, does it need a category? I don't think it needs to have a category. General settings. What do we have in our plugin parameters here? Assist button craft, crafted item, ingredient bridge plus, icon 16. Let's open up our icon index. Which one is 16? It would be this one. Sure, that looks just a blank circle. That'll work. Color. And you can have some special code if you want. Enable masking, disable. Italics for masking, disable. Oh wait, normal. I guess it doesn't matter if you're not using it, masking character. I don't want my crafting ingredients to be like hidden from the player. I mean, maybe later on I'll put that in and just like reveal the recipe to the player for like most of them, and then have it on for the ones that are like secret crafting recipes. Show in the main menu, yes. Enable, yeah, let's turn it on from the default. Show animations, true. Yeah, the default animations. I liked the animations it used. The scale, the default setting. If they put that the same that they showed in the video, I'm gonna leave that because it looked very cool. I'm sure we'll change it later, but for now it'll work. The background setting. File name used. Oh, you can have a background image when you're crafting. Let's do this one. Gold, baby. Gold. Yeah, let's do a floral menu. Bang. With gold. There we go. Let's see what happens anyway. Anyway, how's it going, everybody? I'm Drifting from Driftwood Gaming. I'm joined with the beautiful, lovely T.
Hello, hello, hello.
And there's a little bit of a delayed start. I'm kind of reading a lot about this plugin. But I want to go into the database and paste that in. That's what she said. Put in some crafting recipes. What will the player have? These items. They would be getting these items. So I'm using these. I should word wrap this as well. Are there plugins to turn battle system into something akin to Duck Hunt? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it's possible. Zen Jester says, how should you organize your plugins? What I've been doing so far is putting all the cores on top and just tossing everything else below them. Is that okay, or is there a better way? Well, they're numbered. Are you talking about for MV? MV is a little bit different, right? You got to know. So you need to get... For MZ, it's like... It's easy. Because... Yeah, you put your core plugins at the top and your other ones below it. But if you're getting from Vigistella, And if some other plugin devs follow their formatting, which I think they should, it would be wise for them to know where their plugin should be and give it a number so that, you know, don't swim against the current, you know what I'm saying? Don't reinvent the wheel. And like for this one that Olivia and we made, I just put the number 4 on it because that's where it should be. Anyway, for MV, well, the thing about MV is you kind of don't really have a really good naming convention, like organizing convention. They did fix it in MZ, so it was a big improvement from MV to MZ. I would recommend that you go back and look at some of Yanfly's videos, and just like there's snapshots of when he's opening the plugin manager, and when you get the plugin manager open, just look at it, and you know what I mean, and pause it, and then copy it. And then if he scrolls down, pause it, and then copy it. That's what I've done, and it's worked so far for MV. Yeah, same order as the website lists it. I basically put another drop frames. Wow. I don't know if we're going to be streaming today. It's fantastic. Is it worth it to buy MZ in terms of access to plugins? I feel like there's way more plugins in MV. Well, Fubster, there are many plugins inside of RPG Maker MV, but that's because MV's been out for 5+ years now, and RPG Maker MZ has only been out for months. So the fact that there are so many plugins for MZ is a good sign. I would say it's already worth it. There's already the majority of the plugins you need out, and they're being made constantly. And here's another thing. Some of the plugins from MV, even though it says the plugin TDDP no fast forward may not support RPG Maker MZ, it still does. This one works perfectly fine. So a lot of your smaller plugins that just do small, little add-on type features, they probably work exactly the same, and they won't really cause much of a problem. But of course, that's not a rule. It's just a, I guess, exception. Like a lot of plugins from MV still work in MZ. Vino saying the stream seems fine on his end. Okay, well that's good. I guess I'm getting a notification if even a little tiny bit drops. Yeah, but Ambrose says it's buffering. Regardless, I'm gonna try. But he's on Spectrum too. I'm gonna try to do it, and we'll see what happens. I mean, what else can you do, right? Yeah, what was I doing? So many questions. I gotta paste in some stuff. So, what would we make? Here's the items we have anyway. Beehive chips, worm molt, bee thorax, worm tooth, bee stinger, worm guano. I think with some of these, I should give the player potions and stuff like that. But maybe make custom potions. Let's do that. Let's make some space. Dropped loot. It looks like I've kind of unorganized things. It's fine. What I'll do is from 200 down, I'll call these crafted items. And then I'll put the crafted items underneath that. It's really warm today.
Mm-hmm. It was very cold recently.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, VinoGames.com has a plugin list where you can see most of the plugins that function below Yanfly and some stuff. Anyway, put a link in the chat and check that out. So here I'll make a custom potion. We're going to make our own potions that do different things, because, I mean, that's a pretty basic crafting thing. We'll start simple. Let's make a weird-looking potion. This one right here. And we'll call it a... Call it a tonic. And the tonic will have crafting ingredients. That way it'll become craftable. We're going to use item name. So we'll get rid of this stuff. I mean, do I need to give it a category? What's up, Corey Davis? How you doing? He says, who wins the election? Well, I don't know yet. It's too close to call. I think we have to wait until the mail-in ballots get counted.
Yeah.
And is Heartless here? I haven't seen her yet say anything. But sometimes she lurks, and then she'll just wait for me to say something stupid, and she's like, Baka! Which means dumbass or something. What does Baka mean?
Dummy.
Dummy.
Yep.
Yep. So she's lurking, and she's waiting to press that Baka button, you know what I'm saying? I guess we'll call these potions. I mean, do I need a category? I don't know. I don't know. Should I make it cost gold? Let's make it cost 1 gold. Maybe? It means idiot. Okay. Sure. Baka is idiot or stupid. Thank you, guys.
She said dummy. So I'm going to guess that's the way she's intending to use it.
Yeah. I mean, they're all synonyms. Idiot, stupid, dummy, those are synonyms of one another. So item names, we're going to have it take 2 items, right? So we'll say item name and item name. Beehive chip, what does that cost? 50? And something that doesn't cost a lot. I guess I need to make some more crafting items. A beehive chip. Oh no, I'll make like a we'll call it like I don't know, water. Yeah, we'll just call it water. Great job, Drifty. Let's make an item called water. Dun, 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 dun. Corey says, I wanted to ask her, what do people where she's from think about the U.S.? Corey says, I heard riots no matter who wins. Yeah, some people are going to be pissed no matter what, right?
Yeah, they also said there'd be trouble at the polls, and there wasn't. So.
Yeah.
A lot of fear-mongering going on.
Fear-mongering, yeah. I think that's what it is. What's up, Pug Dungeon? How you doing? Why the two item names? Because I'm going to make it take 2 items.
It's like the days of our lives, but with presidents.
Yeah. Like sands through the hourglass. This is a basic crafting solution. There we go. And it will be worth, I mean, 10's kind of expensive, right? 5 is still expensive. 5 silvers for a bottle of water? Let's make it take 1. Consumable? I mean, yeah, you can consume water. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. But we'll make it so it's only usable on self. Yeah, let's make it just 1 LA. Also give it a very basic animation. Hopefully people aren't just trying to use that for healing, because it wouldn't do very well. I'm going to make it super weak. It's like 5% HP or something. $5 super chat from Corey Davis. He says, well, you guys, I didn't vote. Do you want to know why?
Sure.
Sure. Let us know why you didn't vote. I did vote, and I told people to vote. I mean, I don't really care who you vote for. I just think you should go through the motions. Let's just do this one. That one looks fine. Stupid Spectrum. Keeps clinging to me. Cling! Too bad Kanye didn't win. Then both sides would riot, and we could unite the country together again against Kanye. He got 1% of the votes.
Yeah, but if he won, then at least half of the country would want him to be president, and then you can't unite, like that. It would be the same condition as any other presidential election.
Yeah. Doesn't make sense there. Your logic is flawed. Let's make it so that it gives you 1 HP. It gives you 5% plus 1 HP. That's... yeah, it'll be that. Okay, so now when we're looking at our crafting item, we can say item name, water. Do I have to put a comma in 1 for 1? I don't think so, right? Beehive chip. I think I capitalize item names like that. I should know my own naming convention. A $7.77 super chat from Corey Davis. Thank you for that jackpot donation. He says, my state told me you may never vote about 8 years ago, so I have never voted in my life.
Ugh.
Damn.
Yeah. Disenfranchised.
Yeah.
That's the word. Sick.
Well, that's a shame. Bee space hive? I think I'm going to rename this to beehive. Like, isn't beehive one word? Beehive? Like that?
I have no clue. I do think it is, though. That looks right
Okay.
to me.
I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to leave it.
I haven't put a lot of thought to that question in my life.
1 gold, 1 water, and 1 beehive chip. Category of potions, and it makes the tonic, and the tonic will destroy yourself. No. Word wrap. This will restore 60% of your max HP and remove a few negative status ailments. So it's like a combination effect type of thing. Let's see. HP 60% plus 1 because I'm just going to add 1. Why not? Vino says, unless you were in prison, as long as you're a citizen, you have the right to vote. But Corey refutes that. This is not true, my G. A felony that's over 10 years old. Hey, Miss Lily, how you doing? What's up, Vero Claw?
A felony that's over 10 years old, huh? They say you can't vote if you've ever been a felon.
Huh. What state is that? And then let's
Louisiana.
It's Louisiana?
Yeah.
Can't you, like, say you've moved to another state?
I'm looking up state felon voting laws right now. I mean, isn't having marijuana a felony? Because it's a federal... Like, if they could charge you with a felony for marijuana if they wanted to?
I don't know. I don't follow all the laws. Like
my brothers were charged as felons for really stupid reason.
Oh,
I don't think it stuck, but...
You told me that story yesterday, and I was like, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
You should tell it. It's funny.
Oh, gosh.
Hold on. What's up, Kiora? Kyoya, how you doing today?
Just promise everybody not to judge me based on my brother's judgment.
They were young and dumb.
It wasn't that long ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No way. Come on.
So my older brother wanted to get some money out of the ATM in one of those lobby ATMs one day. And he had my younger brother with him, and the ATM ate his card and wouldn't give it back. So he decided he was going to get a screwdriver out of his car and try and pry his card out of the ATM. And they both got charged with a felony.
That is ridiculous.
I think they dropped it and made him do community service. Yeah. But still, I was like, why?
Bro,
what is wrong with you guys?
Just call him the next day and get it. It's not that hard. Another $5 super chat from Corey Davis. Thank you, Corey. He says Louisiana is under Napoleon law, so that's probably why. Yeah. It's got to be this Napoleon thing. It's this Neapolitan thing. What state would it remove? Let's say it gets rid of poison and, like, sleep. That's probably it. I mean, it's a simple recipe. and removes, instead of a few negative states, we can just say /IT4 for poison. And then what is sleep? And /IT.
So, Corey, I'm looking at the felony voting laws in Louisiana. Your vote is supposed to be restored after prison, parole, and probation. So, if your probation period's up, you should be able to vote again. You might want to appeal.
4 and 10.
I don't know who you'd call. Probably like
Batman.
Probably like
Power
your
Rangers.
congressman, your local congressman. Tell him you can't
Ghostbusters.
vote. Gosh, would you stop? This is serious stuff here.
Uh-huh.
But I think you would call your local congressman and tell him you can't vote even though you should be able to.
Another $5 super chat from Corey Davis. Thank you so much, Corey. Appreciate it. He says drift water should be a cure-all if you have 5 stacks of water. Drift water? I could make drift water next. We're making skills, or we're making crafting items. Let's do that. Let's copy this whole thing. Boom, put that in there. And it's going to, like, cure all. It's going to be 100% of your HP. Or no, we can just do a 60%. No. We'll do 100%. And removes all negative states. I like it. That's a great idea. Call it drift water. Drigget water.
Maine and Vermont don't take your vote away no matter what. You can vote from prison.
Interesting.
Yep. And in 18 states, including New York, once you leave prison, you can vote.
Yeah, but it was the third time I had to Veraclaw saying the Ghostbusters joke was on point.
I was really trying to ignore it. I really was.
Like, would you shut up? Sorry, honey. Sorry.
No, it's good. You know, I troll you enough. I think I deserve a little counter trolling.
That's what I was saying.
I think it's justified.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me copy paste this, change up, and add some more. Remove silence. Copy this. Remove rage.
Did you write a strongly letter to Did you write a strongly worded letter to your congressman or woman?
Silence, rage, charm.
That may be what you'd have to do.
Oh, missed confusion in there. How could we miss confusion? Poison, blind, silence, rage, confusion, charm. And got sleep in there. Paralysis. We'll have it remove stun. Is there any other ones? I think that's basically it for like your basic ones. Okay, we'll have it remove stun.
Gosh, it's so loud outside today.
Yeah.
It's because it's a little warmer. Everybody's running outside to do their thing.
Another $5 super chat from Corey Davis. And he says, I try T, but they just laugh and look up computer stuff and say no, then look past me and say next.
Lame.
Thank you so much for the $5, Corey Davis. That's pretty lame.
It's called oppression.
Yeah.
Not cool.
Feels very oppression, man.
Yeah.
We'll have to give it an animation. Let's make a custom one here for our crafted items. You were dressed up as the Emperor from Final Fantasy II. That's great. That's great. I love Final Fantasy cosplay. This will be for crafted potion.
Just gotta get you a spiky hair wig and turn you into Cloud. Give you one of them giant swords.
Yeah.
Or no, you'll be Titus. You can
Titus?
be Titus. You can be Titus.
Crafted potion. Let's pick one of these healing ones.
Oh, that
And-
reminds me of something. The
What?
very first profile avatar that I tried making for RPG Maker website, which was the first one I tried making because it was like the first forum really that I was active on where there was pictures. But anyways, it was based off of Yuna.
Yeah. Final Fantasy X.
Yeah.
But did you ever play 10?
Yeah, I played it. I didn't beat it though.
Oh.
I didn't have access to it. I would only play it when I visited my brothers.
Ah. A $10 super chat from Corey Davis, and he says, Drift, you need a subclass of items called Drift, Fire, Water, Ice, Wind, etc. But make those items special, and you can only get so many in the game. I'm doing something like that, but different. That's a good idea. Like, for, you know, all of the actual elements of the game, you can have a special crafting item from those elements. In fact, I like the idea that so much that I'll probably do something like that with multiple different tiers of them. Like, in Final Fantasy, you'd have like shards and then crystals and then clusters. So, you know, not exactly those three, because I don't want to just say the same things it's already used so many times, but that's the idea. Reflavor that entire idea. Hey, that's a good one. We'll use the sleep one, but I'll change it up a bit. Let's scale it down, let's speed it up, and change its rotation to be 45 on the Z. Nope, 90. Did that change anything? No? What about negative 18775? It's a circle, it's doing nothing. Okay. So let's just do negative 45 on the Y? It's a circle, it's not going to change. That's what I was looking for, the Y axis to change. I like that. If we made it negative 90, it would probably look really weird in like a straight line. Yeah, because it's kind of flat. So let's do negative 30. I like that. And then 15 on the X, why not? Just to make it look a little different. There we go. That's cool. Thank you so much, Corey, for the super chats. Appreciate that. I hope your day's going well. How's the weather on the road right now? It's like, it was really cold yesterday, and then it's super hot today. Which is nice, because it melted all the snow. I don't have to do that driveway again. Because, bruh. Ain't nobody got time for that. Now we need some sound effects for when we use these pochons. Why not? We'll do that one as an opener. And then like some water sound effects, I'm sure that would be good. This like on frame 10 or something. Yep, that'll work. Flash, I suppose we can do a little green bluish flash. Wait, I'm making it purple, so let's get rid of the green and make it more of a purplish flash. Not that much intensity. Huh. Doesn't quite look good with that purple. Let's make it more of this green blue. I like that. That'll work. Another $5 super chat from Corey Davis. Dang, dude, thank you so much. He says, Lawdrift, I'm doing something like the tier system in my game. I think we talk too much, my G. We are thinking too much alike. Well, I can understand that. We do have quite a few conversations through Discord and throw items and ideas, not items, ideas back at each other. So that's understandable. I feel like this flash goes too long. That's better. That'll work. I'm fine with that. Let's give it that crafted potion. Yeah. All right. Burn poison. Stuff that can stack, like multiple DOTs. Like you can be like bleeding and poisoned and burn poisoned and like I did something like that too in a VX Ace game I was working on called Level Up Your Wizard. I know, great title, right? And I had like shocked, stunned, and dizzy, and like stuff like that would also apply a small DOT, but it was based on an element rate as well. You're in Arkansas right now. It's about to hit the shower. Thank you so much, Corey, for another $5 super chat. Appreciate that. Arkansas. I travel a lot. Got to make them big chips, though. I got to look at the formatting again. Okay, so you put the item name, and then what if you wanted to have multiples, though? Oh my gosh, you don't type in item name. I see. Like here it is. You say item and then the actual name of the item and then the quantity. Okay, I'm glad I looked that up. So you do like this. Item beehive chip 1. Item water 1. Yeah. Gold 10 for this one. But this one will require another ingredient. Item. What's another item? Worm tooth? I think worm tooth will be good. Worm tooth, that's worth 350 there, so we'll just do 1 worm tooth. And you put 1. So I think that's how it goes. I don't think you need commas or anything. Do you? do you? Let me look again. No, you don't need commas.
Vino trolling Corey.
Lily says, if you think status elements get redundant, you could always add more to them. Like if you get paralyzed from lightning, you could get a weakness to water and so on. Yeah, that's a good idea. All you'd have to do for that is add another state rate to the pre-existing states. So that's a great idea, Lily. But I also like the idea of the necromancer putting curses and like reducing resistances and stuff of the enemy. Anyway, I want to try these out. These will need a price. Water's 10. No, water's 1. Gold is 1. Beehive chip is 50. So we'll make the price of the tonic 100 to give you money for actually crafting it. And then this one, you would have to spend 1. That's 50. That's 60. And then plus 350. That's 410. 500, because then you'd make 90 profit, and then on this one you make like 40 profit. It still makes sense. Yeah, anyway, we'll leave it at that and we'll balance the numbers if we need to. At some point I want to do a giveaway. I have a bunch of games on Humble Bundle. I'm just going to do a giveaway at some point. In fact, I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to do it right now. Before Spectrum decides to kick me off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm going to do a giveaway here. Let me go to Humble. What game am I going to give away? I got to find one that people don't think sucks really bad, and it's also...
Only the best game.
Well, the thing about that is they're not all the best, but they're games. And it all depends on your taste in games. Because one game that one person thinks that sucks, another person can be like, that's actually a pretty good game.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Absolutely.
So, let's go to my library? Gosh, Humble changed their website quite a bit. Let's click a game randomly. What is this one? No. What about this one? Oh, this one I've heard before. Aviary Attorney.
Attorney?
Yeah.
What do you play, like a lawyer?
I don't know. Let's look it up. Aviary Attorney. $15 game on Steam. I don't actually want to play the... I don't want to get copyright claims, so we'll mute that. I'm sure I can just go like this and have
Oh
it
my
play.
gosh, that's freaky.
Yeah.
That's very freaky.
So this is a game that I'm going to give away right now. I'm going to use Vino's machine. Vino's time machine. I have decided this will be the game that we give out for free, at least this one. But But I would like to not show you my desktop because I've heard that people get bothered by that. So I'll do a thing. But first, we got a $5 super chat from Assumed Identity. He's saying, I've been flying through those programming classes y'all recommended to me last week. Know any good plugin tutorials so I can apply what I've learned?
Yeah, I'm going to give you a link in just a second.
I was about to say that too because
I'm going to set you up.
You know the...
Yes.
You know, okay.
I know.
All right.
I totally know.
Assumed Identity. T's going to put a link into the chat. This is what we were looking at. We were reading this one.
This is specific to MZ, also applies to MV most ways.
Right.
But there's a plugin tutorial from Dejica.
Yeah. I'm thinking of a different one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
There was another one. It was in Japanese.
No, this is translated.
Oh, it's the same thing but translated?
Yes.
Hi. Very nice. Very nice. There you go, Assumed Identity. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate that. So back to the let's get this game for somebody. Giveaway. I'm gonna do a hide my thing. So there you go. Stream starting soon. Yeah, the stream's been going, but still. So you don't look at my desktop because it's all naked and you guys would be too turned on and you can't see my naked desktop. Where's this button? Press the button for Vino's contest machine and pause this music. Let's pause this music. Boom. Yeah, it's giveaway time, boy. So to enter a giveaway, okay, I could show you guys what I was doing. To enter a giveaway, all you have to do is joob and a joob. No, go to the Discord, links in the description below, and click on the giveaway channel. And in there, T is going to type in a keyword, and then we're going to wait a few minutes, and then anybody who types in the keyword in between that few minutes will be entered to enter the
You'll be entered to
Sandman. No.
Yeah. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Anyway.
Are we ready for the keyword?
Listen,
3,
it's been a rough day. It's been
2,
a rough day.
1.
What's the keyword? Okay.
Go.
All right, so go to the Discord, links in the description below, and click on the giveaway channel. You'll see a keyword that has been entered. It's called Creepy Bird. But you have to type it in there, don't type it in the YouTube thing, because it doesn't even remember, and some people get, scrolled off of the screen, and then we can't even see who entered.
Yes,
but on Discord, we have that control.
Discord.
So in order to winter a copy of, what the hell is the game I'm giving away?
It's about a creepy bird.
It's a creepy bird game on
It's a bird
Steam.
Lawyer.
It's called Aviary.
Lawyers are creepy. No, I'm joking.
Aviary Eternity. Aviary Attorney.
Eternity. Hey, that's a cool play on words. Your eternity. So, you got to make a lawyer game that has eternity in it and call it that. Yeah.
Well,
I'm really good at pitching ideas.
I thought there would be music. Why is there no music? Oh, because I have to pick it. Let's go with Rockstorm, since I said Metallica anyway. Okay. Yeah, it's overwhelmingly positive. That's what the first thing I look at is it a good game? People like it. So if you like this type of game, it's probably really good. It's not necessarily RPG Maker-ish, but it's still a free game. It's worth $15 on Steam that I'm going to be giving away right now. And yeah, we're going to wait a few minutes. And then to enter, all you have to do is type in Creepy Bird in the giveaway channel of our Discord. Links in the description below. And you have a good chance of winning. You have a really good chance of winning. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 people who have entered. So you got a good chance of getting this game. There's a
25% chance that you will win this game.
Yep. We're gonna wait a couple minutes.
Bird game.
Before we actually.
About eternities.
Aviary Attorney. Is that how you spell attorney? There's no. Okay. ATTORNEY. Because it really matters. Attorney. Aviary Attorney. That's the one. The dude. The thing. Choose the names of the first 2 contestants. Boom, 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 doom. I could start writing them in right now.
You can.
So we know Skepsis D is entered.
Skepsis D.
Skepsis D has entered.
Stoppable Force.
Stoppable Force has entered to win this game.
Veroclaw.
Oops.
And I don't know how to say this name, so I'm just going to spell it. ACYM.
Okay. ACYM.
Yep, I've seen 2 people typing. Oh, we
Ooh,
got assumed,
assumed
identity.
identity.
There was somebody typing for a minute, but they changed their mind. They're
Assumed
like,
identity. They're like,
"Nah,
I'll never play that game.
I don't want a game about a creepy bird. Who wants creepy bird games?
It's the hateable boyfriend of courtroom drama games or something, says Lily.
The hateful boyfriend. That's what I'm guessing she wants to
Hateful.
say. What is hateful?
Hatoful.
What is hatoful?
It's a game.
No.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
There's like this thing in Japan, because Japan has a lot of weird stuff. It's like they love their boyfriend so much that they'll kill all the girls that talk to her or something like that. What is that called? Well, there's a word for it where the name of the game is Hatoful Boyfriend Says Stoppable Force. Yeah, that's
Oh.
what I was saying.
Okay. I'm not up with the Japanese game lingo, apparently.
Yeah, but Caleb was playing that game a while ago.
Oh, he was?
Where you go around and you kill all of the other
great.
girls
I'm so happy
as like
that
a
he
you're like
was
this
playing that game. My
I
10-year-old.
saw that and I was like, interesting.
Oh.
So he's playing as a female student with a crush on like the teacher or
Oh,
someone
boy.
else, like some other guy, and then you go around murdering all the other girls that hit on that person or show any interest in that person.
Yeah.
What? There's a name for it. Yandere. That's right. Yandere.
How do you say that?
Yandere?
Yandere?
Yandere.
Yandere. Yandere.
Yandere.
Yandere.
Yandere?
That's what I'm going to say. Yandere. Yandere.
Hatoful.
Yanderai.
Hatoful is just like a weird pun on both heartful and hurtful.
Okay.
Called
Alright.
obsessed, if you ask me. Yeah, basically. Hatoful Boyfriend is a dating sim where the boys are pigeons, and it's a relatively old game. Oh, okay. Okay.
So,
I was thinking of a different game. I'm thinking of a different. Anyway,
is it the one that Markiplier plays with Boobs McKenzie? That's the one you saw?
haven't seen it in a while.
Because you know what? I was subjected to a lot of 7 and 8, 9, 10-year-old YouTube humor when I would wait for the bus with the boys, and they would watch YouTube
Markiplier.
videos before the bus came. So I saw so many weird, absurd things on YouTube.
I've seen
and
the-
Boobs McKenzie is one of those things.
I don't know who that is. I know who Markiplier is though. I liked his try not to laugh ones.
Yandera.
The only Markiplier videos that I really watched, besides a few minutes of here and there, because they were for some reason interesting. Like it was very popular at the time, and someone else was putting it on. Were the try not to laugh challenges? I thought they were hilarious most of the time.
Yeah. Well, the reason why they're funny is because he laughs at everything.
Yeah, but he's trying not to.
Right.
But he still does.
But that's the funny part.
Anyway, I think we're good. Let's say 5, 4. In order to end a copy of Creepy Bird, of what the hell? Aviary Attorney, you have to type
Yes.
Creepy Bird into the giveaway channel on the Discord. Last chance.
I did
10,
it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Contest in. Okay, let's go
Okay.
ahead and all done. We're gonna all done. Do we have anybody else after assumed identity?
No.
That was it?
That
Wow, you guys have a 1 in 5 chance to win a copy of this game. Finalize the contest.
Congratulations, your odds are great.
Congratulations, you have a 20% chance. Okay. Let's just have a sudden death.
Yeah.
So immediately someone's gonna get knocked out by only picking 4. I liked it last time we had 5 too. This is more fun because then the people who enter have a better chance of winning.
Yeah.
Assumed identity versus stoppable force. Skepsis Steve versus Veroclaw, and they're going at it. Who's gonna die first? Oh, Skepsis it was taken down immediately. We got assumed identity, stoppable force. Got shot in the face. It's assumed identity versus Veroclaw, but they love each other. Psych! Veroclaw psyched him out. Congratulations, Veroclaw.
Veroclaw,
He's like, no,
savage.
we can be friends, and then boom, it just shoots him in the face. That was a savage move, Veroclaw. How could you do that? How could you do that to your friends? Congratulations, Veroclaw. You get a copy of this key. I'm going to send it to T, and she's going to send it to you. Let me reveal the Steam key. Boom. Copy. Go over to the Discords. Boom. I can't let you guys see it, you little ha ha ha. Anyway, let's go like this. And then, boom. There you go.
Okay. I'm gonna
Fountain.
be delivering this package.
deliver that package.
Delivering it.
Congratulations, Veroclaw, on your free copy of Aviary Attorney. Let's get back to some game dev. I kind of want to do some more game dev before we're out of time. We can close this now. Boom. All right.
Oh, that was a Mega Man music thing you just did.
Mega Man?
Yep. That's
not how it goes.
No, something like that. You made me think of it though.
Oh, okay. It's hard when the music's playing to think of it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can I do it? No. Never mind. I can't remember it, but I know what you're...
Yeah.
Remember the ending.
Yeah. It's Mega Man music.
Not quite, but that's okay.
You're a secret Mega Man fan. No, you're not.
No, I'm not a secret Mega Man fan.
You like Mega
I've
Man.
always been a Mega Man fan.
I like watching people play it, but
Some of
when
my
I play it, I stink so bad.
We'll take a shower and then play it. Or vice versa. The other way around. Boom, boom. Oh, I was talking to T about like setting this game up, and I'm going to remove the character selector.
Oh, Veroclaw says it goes exactly like that. I have a vote in my favor.
Darn it. Now I'm going to get copyright claimed. It was too exact. Anyway, I want to see if the crafting thing is right there at the beginning, and also let's look around for my backpack, play the game for a second, and see where we're at and what needs to happen. Obviously, we need story, and not like this. Not like this. Crafting is there. Okay, we got crafting. Here's our crafting menu. We can make tonics, and we can make drift waters. To make a tonic, what do you need? It just says 1 gold. So is that really it? Did I type something wrong? I'm pretty sure I required beehive chip. Also, the /IT isn't working. So I have to figure out the right way to reference states. I think you just do state now. And I will forever fumble over that. Hey, I typed the other one, Driftwater.
Driftwater. Yay, it's purple. I love all the purple. It's so good.
Treasure. Hey, isn't that
That's
cool?
awesome.
Isn't that really nice?
I love that.
Uh-huh. Can't make that one, though.
That is so cool.
I love it. Anyway, I have to fix that. Let me fix that real quick. Crafting with beehive chips is giving me Final Fantasy 11 flashbacks. Yep. Gotta admit, that's where it came from. Water. Oh, because I didn't update this. I got it wrong. Item, water, 1. Item, beehive chip, 1. And then we'll also need, for this one, I'm going to make it also require a tonic. Item, tonic, 1.
Veroclaw won, Kristen.
Huh?
She asked who won the contest.
Veroclaw has won a copy of Aviary Attorney. Yeah. Congratulations. Should we do another giveaway?
Sure, if you want to.
I don't know. Let's see what chat says. We didn't have a lot of people biting on it. I guess it depends on the game.
You gotta give away something good.
I think we did a good giveaway.
Not creepy birds.
Come on. All right, let me find... Maybe I have something more RPG that I can give away. Because I don't even know the names of these games. I don't...
Yeah. I know I don't have a very good list of games.
What the hell is...
I'll go on my humble, but it's just sad.
It's just sad. I'm missing everything.
Any good game I get, I like activate, so I can never give it away.
We have run out of Steam keys for Fortune $4.99. Blah 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 blah.
Wow.
So some of these expire. That's
yeah, they
savage.
do. Some do.
Black the Fall. What the hell is this? Helic. What the hell is this? Is this RPG? Square Enix game, bro.
What?
You know it's gonna be all right.
Yeah, it's just amazing.
It looks terrible. It does not look good. Does anybody here actually want this? It depends on the chat, what the chat wants. Or should we say next? Let me get the chat going.
Yeah, let the chat chat
What's
decide.
up, Black to God? How you doing? I'm going to do one more giveaway. Eventually, I'm just going to settle on one. But we already give away Aviary Attorney. And I have another one. Black. I have some other ones to give away. But is anyone actually interested in this one? Black the Fall. It's a $15 game from Square Enix. It's mostly positive reviews. To me, it looks not fun at all, but it could be a lot of fun if you're into that. We got to vote for next. We got 2 votes for next. I'll say 3 people say next maybe, and then we'll move to the next. Does anybody actually want this
what about
game?
Cities in Motion? It looks like I've got like
That one's okay.
extra. I have it, and then I have it again.
If it shows you the key, you've already used it.
Yeah, it doesn't show me the key.
Okay, so you do have this. You have Cities in Motion, and then you have this. And these are
That one's supposed to be a good game, isn't it? I have it. I've played it. I don't know why I have 2 copies.
You also have a bunch of DLC for it, too.
Yeah, I have a bunch of DLC. So if somebody wins it, they win all the DLC, too. How's that?
So,
how much is it? It's 75% off right now. But what
well,
is it?
let's find something that's not on sale right now.
It's normally $20. With all the DLC, it's normally $75.
Anyway, let me find another one.
Okay.
What is Boundless? We're going to give away another game. Boundless is $40, bro.
Wow. What is Boundless?
It's another Square Enix game.
What does it do?
It looks kind of cool.
It looks like a Minecraft-esque.
It is your world. Shape your citizen, forge your destiny, and sculpt your world in this epic voxel sandbox MMO built on endless possibility.
That one looks cool.
This one looks neat.
Does anybody want Boundless?
It's $40.
Yeah.
This is a game. It's
That's
a game.
a game.
This is like a game that people would want to have.
Yeah.
If
you wanted it, you'd have to pay real money.
I don't know. Let's see if anybody wants it in the chat.
Who wants Boundless?
I got to see the live stream chat. It's by Sand Taylor Studio. All right. Yeah, Square Enix is a publisher as well. Failsauce says, no, work called me. I'll be back later for the next stream. Take care, Failsauce. It's all right.
We'll see you. Work can be a drag.
Galactic God is like, next.
Aw.
Veroclaw, I don't know. It's up to what people think. Are you allowed to enter again? I don't see why you wouldn't be.
Eleanor says it looks interested. Look at that picture again.
Looks
it
interested.
It does look interested. Look, that little guy looks interested.
He's like,
He's very interested.
Very interested.
You're right, Eleanor.
Okay, it looks like we're going to give away Boundless. This is a good game. I don't know if I'll be able to give away a game this good every time.
Well, maybe next time after Cityscapes is expensive again, I'll give that away.
But keep in mind, it probably has some system requirements. You're going to need a video card with 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, so if you don't have a video card,
MZ and MV probably have enough to run Boundless.
But MZ only requires 1 gig of RAM.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
MV requires 4.
Oh, I'm talking about video RAM. Video RAM.
Oh, right.
Video RAM. You only need 1 GB video RAM.
You are correct.
But actual like RAM in your computer, random access memory, you would need more.
Right.
This one doesn't need 4 of video card RAM, so I don't know where I got that.
That would be a pretty crazy requirement.
All right, this is going to be it. We're going to give this game away, and we'll call it a stream. So let's give away Boundless. Let's open the Time Machine game thing again from Vino. The Time Machine.
The Time Machine.
Listen, I've got a lot of work to do. I've got so much cleaning that has to be done.
There are new people that want this, so I'm going to do a new contest start.
Contest start, yes. We're giving away a game. We're giving away Boundless. It's $40 right now on Steam. I have 1,177 hours on Terraria and 813 hours on Starbound. See, I would even get into this game if I had 1,000 extra hours laying around, which I don't.
Wow, I don't know how to spell this word.
What word?
I think I spelled it right the first time, but it looks so weird in all caps.
PL? PI? Poggin?
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh. Okay.
Anyway,
I was close.
In order to enter to win a copy of Boundless, you have to join the Discord. The link is in the description below. Go down to the giveaway channel and type in the keyword after it's revealed by T, and then we'll wait a few minutes, and then we'll put everyone's name into a contest machine, generate a winner, and then that person will win a Steam key that they can use to redeem it.
This is a hard word to spell, guys.
Okay.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
And the keyword is pigeon.
Pigeon.
So go to the Discord, links in the description.
Not how I thought that word
Go to the
was
giveaway
spelled.
channel, type in the word pigeon.
That's like P-I-D-G-E-N.
And you have a chance to win Boundless. It's a nice looking game. Nice looking game. Write a review? Well, I don't know. I don't want to write
Human, you get to see the new contest machine when it's out. Yay. Ato, welcome to the server, dude.
This is a good game.
Yeah, it's a good game.
This is a good looking game.
Get the game. Get in the game.
Get in the game. I'm gonna give you the key right now, T.
Both of our keywords today have to do with birds.
Actually, I gotta go pee. I'll be right back.
Okay. It'll give time people to get in the game.
Yeah, give people time. Time people.
Time people. Pigeon isn't hard to spell, is it? Yes, it's hard to spell. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't look like pigeon to me. It's like another one of those words. It's like kernel. Kernel. Wait, how do you spell kernel?
Colonel.
That's not how you. That just doesn't make any sense at all.
Colonel. Everyone knows how to spell pigeon colonel.
Why isn't our language phonetic?
You know what we need to do is make a game called Colonel Pigeon.
We should make a game called
like
Colonel Pigeon.
Extremely hard for people to search.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Yeah, let's mess up our own SEO. That's a great, fantastic idea. While you're at it, put your foot in your mouth and shoot yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
English is not phonetic. It's ridiculous.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back, by the way, if you guys can't tell.
Like with fish, you could actually spell it like PHYSH, and that would be like phonetically correct in English.
Interesting. Galactic God asked Drifty, what's your favorite DLC that has been released for RPG Maker MZ thus far? I don't know. That's a good question. DLC? Do we count plugins? Do those? No, that doesn't count. Huh? Like Steam DLC? Didn't FSM put out a new one recently? Did they put out that? Did they put a new one out? FSM?
No.
No.
They just they included MZ in their.
They updated it.
Yeah, so you can use it for both MZ and MB. But I mean, you could use it for any engine, anyways. Wait a minute, what am I talking about? I don't know what they did, but something happened.
Maybe they just included a sample MZ project.
There are other people putting D in pigeon, which is what I did. Doesn't pigeon sound like it needs a D?
It has a D.
No, it doesn't.
Pigeon has a D.
No,
let me look it up. All right.
No, it doesn't. I looked it up because I was like, this is weird. It's a hard word to spell.
Pigeon.
No D.
I don't believe this.
I know.
This is not true.
It's ridiculous.
I know how to spell pigeon, and there's a D in there. That's what she said.
It's just crazy.
All right. I think we're about ready to call it. If you want to enter your chance to win a copy of Boundless, it's a $40 game on Steam. Just go to the Discord links in the description below, click on the giveaway channel, and type in the word pigeon, and you have a chance to win. A pretty good chance, actually. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
How many people have entered? Let's go ahead and start that. Let me get the machine going. But first, let me not show you my sexy desktop because I don't want to turn you guys on too much here.
Yeah.
Don't want to do that. Let's pause. Let's bring this Vino contest machine to full force. Pause the secondary music.
Yeah, seriously, guys. I had no idea how hard it was to spell pigeon until today. My mind is blown.
My mind's blown.
I've never tried to spell pigeon before.
Let's do Lunar Chill. We need to do some Lunar Chill.
Okay.
Lunar Chill. Okay, the contest is going to end very soon. Type in the word pigeon in our Discord on the giveaway channel.
I already ended it.
You did?
Yep. Nobody's typed anything in.
If they enter right now, they can probably.
Yeah, if you enter, we'll let you
until I
in.
get it going here.
I'm gonna delete this until you say to
Boof.
end the contest. Delete
Contest is going.
It's unended.
What is it called? Boundless? What was the game called?
Yes. Boundless.
Boundless.
If you want Boundless, hurry up and write pigeon in the chat, because this is your last chance. I actually ended the contest, but now it's unended.
Okay. Boundless. That's the prize.
Boundless.
Okay, alright, and the contest has ended. Who's the first name?
No. We have to give like a delay, because they can't hear us yet.
Oh, that's right.
So the contest will end in 30 seconds. Or 10 seconds, or 20. What's your delay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. Okay.
All right.
Oh, Waffles.
Waffles, how dare you?
You're in, Waffles.
You're in, Waffles.
You're in.
Damn it.
You know what?
What even is rules?
Yeah, well, they're in. Waffles is in.
All right. Okay, Waffles is in. Who's in it?
Now it's
Who's-
ended.
Now it's in. Okay, wait. I think he did that on purpose. Darn Big Daddy Waffles. Who's the first name?
Oh, the first name.
Yeah, give me
Okay.
some names. Who's going to
Yeah,
win?
somebody got caught by Squiggles. Got caught by stream delay.
That's
I
fine.
was saying, Eleanor the Dark.
Eleanor the Dark. Okay.
Skepsis D.
Skepsis. All right.
Assumed identity.
Assumed. I don't know why it sounds so sinister to me.
Eeto. E-E-T-I-O.
ATO?
E-E.
Okay, I got it.
Human.
Human sauce.
Veroclaw.
Veroclaw. If Veroclaw wins again, I think everyone's gonna riot.
Waffles.
Waffles. They're gonna be like, rigged! Rigged!
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have told me.
That's all there is.
Because
I
now,
just told you. I just told you right now.
nah, Corey's in it. Because
Corey?
I have to put a name in.
Wait a minute. Squiggles said no. Squiggles said that stream delay. Throw him in.
Oh, yeah,
If you're
okay.
gonna throw somebody in, he was trying to make it. But
Okay, I got one
more.
more to put in.
Squiggles. SC Wiggles.
All right, Squiggles, you're in.
Yeah, by default.
By
you're in.
default. Okay, we got 8 people. That's a good chance to win. People win the lottery twice all the time. I pay to win.
Oh yeah, you could put a name in and then delete
Oh,
it.
we can delete it.
Yeah.
Squiggles, do you want to be in?
Do you?
Nah, he says, nah, I'm good. Let me remove that last entry.
Okay.
All right. Vino.
Okay.
Your machine. I can't wait to see what you're working on in the new one. It's going to be sick, lit, fire, hot, nasty salsa sauce. I know
He's
it.
typing right now. Hold on.
I
We gotta
know
wait
it.
For what
He's-
Squiggles says.
No, we got it. You missed it. You guys, that's it. We're ready to go. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You got 7 people in here.
Okay.
Done. Finalize the contest. 7 lucky participants. We gave a lot of extra time for this one. We're going to do a sudden death match. I like that better than the boss battle. I kind of do. Sudden death. All right, the winner's going to win $40 on Steam, essentially. Not really. You're going to win Boundless. It costs $40. Eleanor the Dark, Skepsis D, Human, and Assumed Identity. You're going at it. Skepsis D and Human are holding hands, and they come over. Oh no, someone, I can't see the names, there's too much text.
Yeah.
They're getting teamed up. Skepsis D jumps and throws him into the fire. Someone died. Who
Yeah.
died, was it?
Oh.
What?
Dang.
Double kill. They killed each other, and Assumed Identity wins. All right, congratulations, Assumed Identity.
Congratulations.
You win a copy of Boundless. So I'm going to get that to you right now. Actually, T is going to give it to you. I'm going to give her the copy. I'm going to give her the key. This is for our own records. Boundless. Give me that key. Boom. I got it. Let me copy this key. And let me go to over here and give this to T. This is Boundless for Assumed Identity. And let me edit the last one. That was a copy of Aviary Attorney for Veroclaw.
Okay.
Okay.
The package has been delivered.
The package has been delivered. All
to
right.
Assumed identity.
There you go. Please let us know if you have any issues with it. You shouldn't. We'll do Vino, but I think we're good. We found something good to give away.
Yeah.
Thanks, though. All right, guys and girls. Hopefully you had fun today. Congratulations to the winners. Aviary Attorney Veroclaw won that game, and then Boundless was won by Assumed Identity. Congratulations. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you had fun and learned something maybe. I don't know. We didn't do a ton of money. A super chat, a jackpot super chat from Corey Davis 777 saying, eating me some chicken noodle soup in the shower.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah.
That chicken noodle soup's good.
Do you put some cayenne pepper in it?
You know what's good? Yeah, I was
You
gonna
have
say
to
that.
put cayenne
You gotta
pepper
chop
in
up
it.
some peppers,
It's
man.
gotta
You
be
gotta put some
spicy.
cayenne. You know what? A little tiny bit of onion powder that works good too.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
really, the cayenne is what makes it. When
Oh,
we
yeah.
have chicken noodle soup, we chop up peppers that we've grown, which we're almost out of. I mean,
We have one single solitary dried pepper.
we
hanging.
literally have
sad.
one pepper on a string
Lonely.
hanging up where our headphones used to be. It's sad. You know, like you see in these cooking videos and like these nature videos, and they've got like a whole string of like dried peppers and they look fantastic, like hundreds of cayennes on a string. We have a single little tiny cayenne on a string.
So Corey, you gotta
Almost out.
You gotta try it, Corey. The next time you eat chicken noodle soup, you gotta throw some cayenne powder. Some cayenne. Is it called cayenne powder? Yeah, cayenne powder.
Yeah, chili. Yeah, it's just cayenne.
Not chili powder, it's cayenne powder.
I like chopping up the cayennes.
The cayennes are good, yep. But if you don't have it, you can go to the
have
grocery
cayenne
store
powder.
and get
It's cayenne powder.
You'll never eat your chicken noodle soup another way after
It's
you
so
do
good.
it. It's so good.
So good. Yeah. Growing your own food is awesome. I don't like growing a lot of things. One year we did too much, and then it kind of burned me out. We grew collard greens, we grew broccoli, we had sunflowers. The squirrels ate all the sunflowers. It's very disappointing. We had snap peas, we had jalapenos, and the best thing that we grew were jalapenos. They were so good. We actually pickled them, and they lasted for like almost a whole year, maybe a little bit over a year, and they just kept staying good. They were better than any ones that you could buy in the store. And you know, I'm biased because I grew them and pickled them and ate them, and they were fantastic. And I plan to do that again this year too. Hell yeah! As soon as I get a chance, as soon as the weather lets us. Anyway, thank you guys for coming to the stream. We're going to let you go. Read the names in the chat. See you guys tomorrow, 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Remember that daylight savings times messed stuff up. You know, we used to get up at a good, like, 11 o'clock, but now it's getting closer to 10 o'clock because we get up when Lily makes us get up. And
Yep.
her clock has been the same, except now we have to get up an hour early because of daylight savings time. So that's a thing that happens. Kyoya Otori, thank you so much. I'm making tandoori chicken. Those peppers, though. Galactic God, thank you so much. Miss Lily 200, thank you guys for being here. Getting hungry for some spicy food. I hope I'm making your mouth water. Good stuff. Vino, thank you so much. Always a pleasure. Corey Davis, thank you for showering us in all the super chats. Appreciate that. Love you, my dude. Polka Latte, thank you for being here. Galactic God, Vero Claw, congratulations on winning. Thanks for tuning in. Spartan Kid, appreciate you. Right back at you. Love you, Spartan. Skepsis D, the early bird, the rock. Thank you so much. Finally, he's come back. He's always been here. He's been our rock. Thank you, Skepsis D. He's always here. Skepsis D is always saying stuff. Early, all the way to the end, like on the Discord.
Yep,
this
we
guy
love him,
is
man.
amazing. He's part of
Absolutely.
the team for sure. Assumed Identity, also legit. Such a hell of a guy. He always like he lurks. This Assumed Identity says a couple things, but he mostly lurks. And then at the end, he's like, boom, $20.
Yeah.
He always does that. Like $10 right at the end. You know, he does that. Thank you so much, Assumed. You don't feel obligated to do that. You don't have to do that. We love you the same. Eleanor the Dark, thank you so much for being here. All of you who are just lurking and just want to do stuff with having us in the background, we appreciate you joining us, and hopefully we brighten your day in some weird way or some good way. You know what I'm saying? Never mind. Let's move on. IDEO, thank you so much for being here. Who else was here? Stoppable Force was a part of the team. Thank you so much, Kyoya. A couple of repeats in here. That's fine. It's fine. Ellen of the Dark. Fail Sauce had to go to work in the middle of the stream. Oh, I missed some giveaways. Sorry, Fail Sauce. Maybe catch us next time. Kristen Micah, thank you so much for tuning in. Oh yeah, I recorded a sample right when we were doing tuna. Sounds amazing right now. Do you want to make some tuna? You know what we should do? I'm gonna get like a tablespoon of mayonnaise and put that in a bowl. And then I'm gonna open up a can of tuna and I'll put some salt on it and some pepper on it. And I like putting relish, but T doesn't like relish, so I have to go without that. But then I get like some tortilla chips and I just use it like a dipping.
Yeah.
A dipping.
It's
a
very
chip dip.
delicious.
It's really good. And in fact, I'm gonna make that right now. It sounds so good.
We like cycle between 3 different chippy dip type dishes: the tuna, the chili beans with cheese, and then refried beans.
Yeah, but we put hot sauce and jalapenos and all kinds of stuff in it.
Yeah, I think we
really
eat
good.
like pounds and pounds of beans every month.
Beans, bro.
So many beans.
You know what you need in your life? The staples. You need tuna fish.
Rice.
You need rice. You need beans.
Yes.
And you need some oatmeal. Put oatmeal in your life. Not the super sugar packed oatmeal, but just like regular whole oatmeal. You know what I'm saying?
Rice and beans is funny because that's a stereotype for Puerto Ricans.
I mean, so what? It's good.
It's
all
good.
right? It's good. Zen Jester, thank you for being a part of our team here. Thank you for being a part of us. Oh gosh. Thank you guys for tuning in. Kira, I see you. Thank you. If I don't see your name, I still appreciate you. I'm scrolling up. Joseph Smink, thank you so much. Drifty, I've been following you for a while. Can you show me how to summon Shiva or Infrit? I wish I would have seen that earlier. Yeah, I mean, summons are kind of a hard thing to do. We've done that a lot. Typically, people would pay for.
Don't you have a summon eventing
Didn't
tutorial?
I do a tutorial on it? I think I made a couple tutorials.
I think Corey sponsored it.
Corey did sponsor a tutorial for summoning.
Corey hooked this guy up.
Corey's already paid $30
that?
for a tutorial on it. It was Joseph Smink.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's still here.
Smink, definitely look at Drifty's videos. Look up summoning, like type summoning in the search bar, and you'll find a tutorial for it. Mm-hmm. Or summon.
Yes. Ambrose, thank you for being here. Nat, Majora Wolf 29. Vino, Veroclaw, El Pato Encabronado. Thank you so much for tuning in. He says, I still have to get RPG Maker MZ. I hope today I have a chance. Well, we weren't giving out MZ today. I'm sorry about that. If we do get a key, it'll probably be put in one of our giveaways. It will happen in the future. Just stay tuned. Join us and hang out with us. And, you can advertise your stuff with us, and we can also throw stuff back at you. It's a win-win, really. Just come hang out with us. Appreciate it. Who else was here? I don't want to miss names, but I think it's getting close to the top. Kiera was here. Pug Dungeon, thank you so much. Blue Dragon was here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Really, really good turnout. Fubster was here. Thank you so much. Good questions. Everybody is asking questions. Sorry if I missed your question, and it can only do what I can do. I'll do my best. We'll be back tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Now I'm going to press buttons on my piano here. Vina with a $2 super chat at the end. Seeing Skepsis D's eyes reactions make me happy. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream.
Me too.
Thank you for coming.
No, actually, it's a mixed bag. Sometimes I feel like I'm being, like his eyes are staring into my soul.
Piercing into my soul.
Yeah. But it makes me happy too.
Thank you for the $2 at the end, Vino. Appreciate that. Was there a thing I say? Assumed Identity said PayPal is where it's at. Absolutely, because when you PayPal, that's when you get we get 99% of that. So we get more money through PayPal than we do on the super chats. And speaking of that, I'm glad you mentioned something.
Yeah.
Because I quite miss it. Assumed Identity has just sent us $20.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, Assumed, on PayPal, which we get all that big money for. I'm going to press buttons while I copy paste things. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I hope you have a good time. Please feel free to ask any questions that you have, and we'll see you answer to. It's hard to do stuff on Discord and hold buttons. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. How's it going, how's it going, everybody? Well, thanks, Assumed Identity. Appreciate that very much, and everybody who was part of the stream. Love you guys very much. I'm going to put up the super chatters very quickly. Who was the super chatters today? The dudes, all the people. I'm going to do that after the stream. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I hope you. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I hope you have a good time. Please feel free to. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I hope you have a good time. Please feel free to ask any questions that you have, and we'll see you answer to. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming. I hope you have a good time. Please feel free to ask any questions that you have, and we'll see you answer to. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to. I love you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.